I did some research recently on what songs are trending in the sheet music world. That means these are all the songs that pianists are wanting to learn. So what I did was I went through all of those songs and I picked which ones were the perfect ones for beginners to learn. That means they are easy to learn, but they're also really awesome songs. So stay tuned so that you know 8 awesome songs that you should definitely learn this year. So be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified every single time I post a video about how to go from 0 to playing your favorite songs in months, not years. And let's get started. The songs I picked are gonna go from easiest to most challenging. The first one is going to be Sara Bareilles, She Used to Be Mine. Let's take a quick listen on what that song sounds like. It's super pretty.
It's not simple.
Nice F major chord to start with.
Most days,
These are chords beginners can learn.
these shoes in the same, that place and its patrons have taken more than I gave them.
The verse goes something like that. It repeats those chords in the verse: F major, C major, D minor, and B flat major. These are chords that beginners can definitely play. So now let's head over to the chorus. The chorus. F major again, how nice. C major.
But she lies.
D minor.
It's hard on her soul. She
B flat major.
and won't ask for help.
So one reason I picked this song is because it has a very steady beat. You can play it. Not too challenging for the coordination and very simple chords. All right, the next song is going to be Jeff Buckley's Hallelujah. We all know this song. It's still trending right now. Let's take a listen to the verse. I really like the beginning of it because you could do arpeggios right here on the piano.
Was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord. But you don't really care for music, do you?
So this song actually starts off with the chord D flat, but if you Google the chords, it's gonna show it to you in the key of C major. I recommend playing it in the key of C major if you are a beginner. So I would start off like this and do some arpeggios at the beginning. The first chords in this verse are C, A minor, C, A minor, F, G, C, G. Again, these are really great chords that beginners can play. If you want to jazz it up, do those arpeggios. All right, now let's listen to the chorus. This is the part we all know. All right, so I'll show you how to play that. Again, really easy, perfect for beginners. All right, we're gonna start with F major again. Let's start with the arpeggios. So what I would do is I would play it like this. This is a great one for beginners because it's got those easy chords and you can even jazz it up with some nice arpeggios. By the way, if you want to learn more about arpeggios, check out this video. All right, now let's move along to the next song. The next one is Elvis Presley's Can't Help Falling in Love.
Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you.
All right, if you look up this song, it's going to give you the song in the key of C major, which is great. So what I would do is I would Google the song with chords and it'll come right up at the top. So here's how it goes. Wise men say only fools rush in. This is so easy, but I can't help falling in love with you. So again, another great song, perfect for beginners, lots of simple chords, and it's again really nice and lovely and pretty. Number 4, could you guess it? It's Adele's Easy on Me. Let's check it out. Such a great part right here, love it. All right, let's stop it right there because that beginning is great and it is only a few chords. Let's check it out. And one really nice thing is that song repeats those chords. They are F major, D minor 7, F/A, and B flat major. That's the verse. So let's check it out. F major, D major 7, and it keeps going on like that. Let's do some of these easy chords. Ready? Okay, the next one is such a classic, Somewhere Over the Rainbow. You know this, and it's so pretty on the piano. Let's take a listen. Now there's a lot of different arrangements of this sheet music. I'm gonna do the one that starts in C major. So let's take a listen to how this song sounds on the piano. One thing I recommend doing when you play the song is doing some left-hand arpeggios like this, which you can learn more about in this video. The next one is even more of a classic. Yes, it is Beethoven's Moonlight Sonata. I picked this because it isn't too bad. You can find an easy version online, so let's check it out. Such a dark piece. Again, this is a great one with arpeggios. So it goes a little something like this. And so forth, you know it. This is a great one for beginner to intermediate students. And last but not least is A Wonderful World by Louis Armstrong. You know this one. Let's take a quick listen.
I see trees of green. I see them blue for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
So good. All right, this is another good one for beginners. It's got simple chords. They are a little bit more challenging than, say, the first song, but you can do it. So here's how it goes.
Trees of green. I see them blue for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
So nice. Such simple chords. You can do this. So that wraps up the 8 songs that I recommend you learn this year if you're a beginner. These are all really popular songs that all of your friends and family are gonna love. Let me know how it goes in the comments and let me know which song you'd like to learn. If you're struggling to learn the piano and you're bogged down by music theory and children's songs and you'd like to go from 0 to playing your favorite songs in months, not years, be sure to schedule a call at the link in the description. And lastly, be sure to subscribe and like if this video helped you, and comment below and let me know which song you're excited to learn. And I will see you next time.